I have a petition to present to you, and attached in that petition is the court order. We are members of People's Democratic Party, heavily led by my humble self, the state chairman of our party, Honorable Chukwemeke. We as law-abiding citizens and people that believe in rule of law, there was a court judgment on the 30th of September restraining the ISEC not to conduct the election. Reasons being that they never complied to the laws of that election. And then restraining the security agencies, restraining INEC not to give them voters register. And we as a party, we have also agreed to comply to those orders that were the judgment that was given not to participate in that election. But our own problem why we came this one is that no man is bigger than the law. This order must be obeyed by the state government and the RISEC. Absolutely. For us to not to cause mayhem, for peace to reign in River State, we want to beg you that you talk to them, tell them that we don't want problem in River State, we need peace in River State. So let there be no election. Yesterday we had a public holiday for that same election. And that's why we said no, we don't fold our hands, we need to meet to you and tell you that we as a law-abiding citizens and that believe in rule of law, we have complied to the court judgment. Let them comply to that court judgment. That's why we are here. This is our letter. We are not going to participate. Thank you. And that is why we came to you to tell you that election, the governor, the ISEC, will obey that judgment. No man is bigger than the law. We as a party are not going to participate. And then if they go ahead with the election, then that's good.
We appreciate it and we want to continue like that. Definitely, I will send your data. I will assure you that we are happy with the way you do stuff. And we want to continue like that. Let us do the process. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'll be letting people are already around.
Yes. We have also gone to the police to express our grievances, to let them know that we are people that believe in equity, justice, we believe in rule of law, we are law-abiding citizens. We have told the police that we must obey court judgment. Bam! PDP as a party, we believe in rule of law. Yes, sir. No person is above the law. Yes. So for the election that they said they will have on Saturday, we are not party to it. Yes. No election because we are not going to participate because of the court judgment. We have notified the police, we have notified all the security agencies, and INEC yesterday said they have never released any voters register to any person. Yes. And we must abide to that. Yes. So I want to thank all of you and to beg all of you to be peaceful. Yes, sir. There's nothing to fight all about. But we have told them there will be no election. We are not party to it because we must obey court orders. High Court has taken the judgment from Federal High Court on 30th of September, stating clearly that INEC should not release any document to them, that RISEC should not go ahead to do that election. So we as a party, we must abide to that judgment.
Yes.
We are not in Banana Republic where every time people disobey court orders. This is a judgment. So I want to beg all of you, let no person quarrel, let no person fight. We have registered our grievances to the authorities that are concerned. So as we are going, I want us to go peacefully. Let no person destroy anything. Let's go back to the party office so that we return back to our various homes peacefully. Thank you and God. Before encore, they fear them.
Para